Unless you are sitting under a rock, I'm sure you guys are all aware of the huge news that has just rippled across the prop firm industry. And that is obviously My Forex Funds halting all of their trading and essentially their business. So first of all, I just want to say that this is directed for the most part to our Blue Edge community, but also to anyone else that is currently with My Forex Funds. This video will definitely help and give you some clarity on the situation and also just guide you through what you can do. We understand that many of you have concerns and questions about the situation. In this video, we are going to provide you with the facts, what we know, and some guidance on how to navigate the situation. First and foremost, let's talk about what we know. My Forex Funds is currently facing regulatory issues in Canada and the United States. Regulators in both countries have issued orders freezing their trading activity and bank accounts. This in turn has affected their ability to operate their business effectively. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the My Forex Funds website. All right, guys, so as you can see, if you log in or even try to log into your account, the second you go to any My Forex Funds page, essentially this is what you will see. They have issued this statement. So it goes as follows. Traders, yesterday we learned that without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and the commodities regulator in the United States issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds from our bank accounts. Until these freeze orders are lifted or modified, our business is effectively and at least temporarily frozen as well. We will be reaching out to the regulators to discuss their concerns, and the first court date to determine whether the freeze order will be lifted or modified is currently scheduled for September the 11th in the United States, with another hearing later the same week in Canada. We hope to have this matter resolved as soon as possible and will update this message as events occur. So that is all the information they have currently provided. So this effectively means they have halted all of their business, which means that you cannot trade on your accounts if you've taken challenges, if you have funded accounts. No matter what the situation is, you will not be able to trade on any of those accounts until further notice, until they come back. Now, in my opinion, I think it is going to be a little while because this is a situation that I don't think is going to be cleared up in the next week, next month. I think this is going to be at least a few months. I don't even want to put a date on it, but to me, this is going to be something that is going to be going backwards and forwards, and it might have just opened up a can of worms in the prop firm industry, at least for all the prop firms that are situated in Canada, United States, and the UK. So I think this might create a ripple effect. Now, if you are with other companies, don't panic. I think just continue as normal and listen to the advice we will be giving in terms of other prop firms that are situated in these countries. First of all, I think it is very important to just state to everyone, just stay calm. It's crucial not to panic at this stage. I know situations like this can be upsetting, especially if you do have funded accounts with them, but it is essential to stay calm and stay informed with the situation. Let's break down some of the steps you can consider taking in light of this situation. First and foremost, I think it is very important to stay informed. Keep an eye on the latest developments regarding the My Forex Fund situation. As they have mentioned, they will be reaching out to the regulators and there are upcoming court hearings. We will do our best as well to keep you updated as we get any news. Now, the suggestions we have, if you have accounts with My Forex Funds, let's start with My Forex Funds and work our way out from there. Now, if you are currently taking a challenge with My Forex Funds, I think that's probably a tough one. I think if you have started a challenge and paid your amount, you are still in the challenge phase, or you have just received a trading account, a funded account, these are the guys that I think are going to be hit the hardest, because whatever happens, the hope is that this gets sorted out and they release your accounts and everything goes back to normal, in which case you just continue trading. But if the situation gets worse and they shut down, then essentially it's these people that are going to lose money. And there's nothing that can be done about that. That's just one of the things, you know, I think that's just, it is what it is, right? Now, if you have got a funded account and you have already got a payout, and if you've received your refund back, I think these are the guys that will be the least affected. Now, what you have to remember, guys, a lot of people are looking at it like if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 funded accounts, let's say you funded $400,000 with these guys, more if you've been upscaling, you are looking at as if you have lost $100, $200, $300,000. That is not the case, guys. Remember, you are trading with their capital. So essentially, you've got to change your mindset here and remember that you only, let's just talk about the $100,000 account for now. You have essentially only paid the $500 to take that. Now, if you have received even one small payout for that, you would have also received your refund. This is best case scenario. You have made your money back. Whatever you invested, you've got back. And if, you know, if all goes bad, sour, and it does shut down, it doesn't matter. If you are in this situation, at least you can say, I got my money back and I didn't lose anything, okay? For everyone else, you know, there's not much else to say other than, you know, I would, for now, just continue trading on other prop firms. I would suggest just continue trading, taking challenges on other prop firms, especially the ones that are situated outside of Canada, United States, and the UK. Ones like, obviously, FTMO, True Forex Funds. These are the guys that are outside, and I think for now are safe. I think those are the places you want to go. Now, if you are currently with other prop firms that are situated in United States, Canada, or the UK, then I would suggest, if you have got a funded account and you are currently in profit, I would suggest taking that profit at the very next payout opportunity you have. Get that money out, get whatever you can out, and then just continue trading it. Continue trading it, because essentially, as long as you get your money out of it, whatever you've put in, I think that's your main goal for now, is just make sure you're not losing any money. And then just continue trading it as normal. But I would suggest not buying into new challenges for now, at least, with any of the prop firms that are situated in the UK, the States, and Canada. Instead, I would invest that money in the other prop firms that are outside of those areas. If you have just bought into a challenge for any of the prop firms that are situated, again, there's nothing you can do. Just keep trading it. Don't try and pass it as quickly as you can, because there's a good chance you will end up failing it. I would say for these people, just keep trading the way you have. The hope is that it will be a long time before this trickles down into the other prop firms. I don't know, I can't state that 100%, but I would imagine that the My Forex Funds situation would have to play out before that trickles into the others. So I would suggest, you know, you've already put the money in, you're not going to get that back. All you can do is trade the accounts the way you would be trading that. Don't change anything, and essentially try get to your funded account and try and get at least your refund. You know, even if, let's say it's $100,000 account, you get your refund, make $50, $100, and then that's it. Request that payout, get your $500 back, and then just keep trading. Get your money back and then trade, okay? That is what we suggest for now, is to, especially if you're with the other prop firms that are situated in United States, Canada, and UK, is try get your money out as quickly as possible, but don't trade differently, if that makes sense. Just try and get your refund back. That's what I would suggest. Get your refund back and then continue trading. But don't buy into new challenges. If you want to keep buying into challenges, look at the other prop firms that are outside of these countries for now. I mean, so that's all the information I can give for now, guys, and all the advice we can give for now is, you know, don't panic. Just keep trading. Try get your money out. Try get your refund back if you can. You know, even if you only make like a very small profit, take that out as soon as your next profit split day comes. You know, for some of you it's waiting a month, some of you it's only 2 weeks. So just get that refund back as soon as you can, and then just keep trading it, because you are essentially break even. Then you've made some money, it doesn't matter. And then we want to just reassure you guys that we are going to give you guys as much information as we can on the situation. As soon as we get any information, we will be releasing that, especially to our own community on Discord. We will give you guys anything as soon as we have it. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and provide those updates as soon as they are available. But remember, do your own research. Try and find out, number one, you know, especially things like where the prop firm you are trading is situated, you know, find out where they are, and then based on that information, take the advice I have given. So just stay informed, remain calm, and just take precautionary steps like we've discussed to navigate these situations. Now, to our community, if you have any specific questions, please just put those into the Discord channel. Contact your support coach if there's any concerns, and they will guide you through this as well. They will give you pretty much the same advice I have given, but you know, if you have concerns, contact them and they will guide you through this. I would just like to take this opportunity to thank the Blue Edge financial community for being awesome, always being there in the Discord group, you know, offering guidance to other community members that are not sure what's going on. There's always help, there's always guidance from you guys, and we love that about our community. If you're not part of Blue Edge, what are you doing? Just jump in, join us, and you know, it is an incredible community, and I just want to say thank you to you guys. Keep being awesome. That's it, guys. There's not much more I can give you for now. As I said, we will keep you updated as soon as we have any more information, but just don't panic, keep doing your thing, and you know, I think everything will be all right in the end. So with that being said, we will catch you guys in the next video, and happy trading. Bye for now.